afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend with Garage Weather. Currently taking a look here at Milton right now. Currently 65 degrees. Very nice out there right now. Temperatures pretty much in the 60s across much of the state right now. Beautiful day out there. Hope you're getting out and enjoying it. So looking at what's going on right now in the backyard, current temperatures at 65 degrees, humidity at 43%, pressures at 1021 millibars, visibility is about 10 miles, winds out of the southwest about 6 miles per hour. And then currently looking at what's going on nationally, we do have this cold front out in the Midwest right now. This system will move eastward and give the rain we will see tomorrow and the chance of thunderstorms. But for right now, thankfully, we do have this nice ridge of high pressure. It's leading to the very, very nice day we're seeing today. Like I said, I hope you're enjoying it. I went out and enjoyed it this morning with a run. I'm going to go up to the mountains tonight. Hope you all enjoy it. Maybe go for a ride on a motorcycle. Maybe you're mowing your lawn. But looking at the current temperature, 64 in Sunbury, 64 in Williamsport, 63 in State College, 63 near Du Bois. So overall, pretty much in the 60s across much of the state. I think this is a perfect kind of day, just like yesterday. Looking at the humidities, they have fallen actually just in the last 15 minutes. 45% now in Sunbury, 37% in Williamsport, 45% in State College, 48% out near Du Bois. So overall, really, really nice day if you like the dry, less humidity like I do. Very, very great out there. Now that will change as we get further on in the day into tomorrow. But look at that current radar too. Currently dry. Just those few showers that always seem to pop up near Altoona, over the mountains. Probably not even reaching the ground, just some clouds. Radar's picking it up. But looking at our cloud cover for the rest of today, pretty much clear throughout the day, but the clouds will increase as we get closer to the evening hours, which could possibly give the chance for a shower overnight. I think it's unlikely, but there is that slight chance that we could see a shower overnight. But looking ahead to our current humidities, you can see very, very dry for dew points and things across the state. But that will change as the day goes along and into tomorrow. So the dry, dry weather we see here, that'll keep the conditions very, very dry. But as the humidity changes, you can see by tomorrow it gets much, much more humid, higher dew points, gives that fuel for the possible thunderstorms. And then the dew points stick around, so the humidities will rise again tomorrow. You will have to deal with that stickiness. And then by Thursday, we do see a little bit of a drying out in the northern tier before the dew points increase and stay where they're at in the middle part of the state. And then looking at our chance of rain for the rest of today, dry for much of the state of Pennsylvania. Slight chance of a shower, possibly in the northern tier, but most of that should stay in New York. So overall, enjoy today. Tomorrow, on the other hand, not so much. We do have a greater chance of precipitation in areas like here around Sunbury, out to almost State College, and that also includes near Du Bois and the pocket here in the southeast. These blues here do correlate with some stronger possibility of some stronger thunderstorms and things and heavier rain. I do think we will see that because a lot of the models I have seen do put a pretty strong line of storms coming across this area tomorrow evening. Looking at that forecast for the radar, currently pretty dry across the state, but as the day goes along into tomorrow, you can see the thunderstorms moving through 4/3. So stopping with that, here is that strong line of storms about 7, 8 p.m. tomorrow. Look at this line of storms that runs across the state. Really heavy chance of rain before another line of storms moves south on Thursday afternoon, and we could see some threat of some thunderstorms. Not as strong, I think, on Thursday. As you can see, much weaker and more spread out, unlike Wednesday, and the storms are moving across the state eastward and much more compacted and put together. So looking at the temps for the rest of today, 2 p.m. temp in Sunbury, 67, Williamsport 64, Wellsboro at 65, Scranton over here at 61, Allentown at 65. So a very beautiful day overall, mainly in the 60s and low 70s. Enjoy it out there, it too. By 8 p.m. tonight, not much has changed. Temperatures will fall back mainly into the 60s, but overall, not a huge change in temperature. Overall today, looking really great. 65 in Sunbury, 66 in Williamsport, 69 in State College. And then by 8 a.m. tomorrow, pretty much sticking around the 60s again. 64 in Sunbury, 60 in Williamsport, 63 in Wellsboro, 60 out in Clarion. So overall, just a really, really nice morning tomorrow. Now, by the afternoon, it will warm up. We will approach the 80s, especially in the southeastern corner of the state with 86 in Philadelphia. That's pretty warm out there. 81 in Allentown, 80 in Lancaster, 81 in Harrisburg. that will give the fuel for that thunderstorm activity tomorrow afternoon. So be prepared for that. Be ready for those higher humidities too. So for this afternoon, mostly sunny, bit warmer than yesterday, high of around 71. Winds mainly out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, partly cloudy, slight chance of a shower, low of around 58. Winds mainly out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then on Wednesday, AM clouds of sun. That's going to lead to some of the fuel for the storms for those PM and afternoon storms. High of around 80. Winds out of the southwest about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, we do have that chance of thunderstorms on Thursday. Before Friday, looking pretty nice right now, mainly partly cloudy. Saturday's looking pretty good, mostly sunny, temps up into the upper 70s. We do have a slight chance of thunderstorms on Sunday, but right now it's a very slight chance, so good possibility of changing that to a nicer day as we move on. And then Monday's looking pretty good too. So, I'm Brock Townsend with Garage Weather. You all have a great day. Enjoy it out there. It's really, really nice.